Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we'll explore working with dates, without time, in Python using the pandas library. Pandas is a powerful data manipulation and analysis library that provides data structures for efficiently storing large datasets and tools for working with them. If you haven't installed pandas yet, you can do so using the following command. Once installed, you can import pandas into your Python script or Jupyter notebook. Pandas has a specialized data type for handling dates, called datetime64. To create date-only data, you can use the pd2_datatime function and pass a string representing the date. Once you have a data frame with a date-only column, you can perform various operations on it. Here are some examples. Pandas integrates well with popular plotting libraries like matplotlib. You can visualize date-only data using line plots or other chart types. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of working with date-only data using pandas in Python. This includes creating date-only columns, performing operations on date components, filtering data based on date ranges, aggregating data by date, and visualizing date-only data using plots. Pandas provides a powerful and flexible framework for handling various date-related tasks in data analysis. ChatGPT.